question number 3. This child likes to play with dolls. Their role-playing and imaginative play skills have really increased recently. So the child can put a doll onto a toilet and say poo-poo, or put the food on the table and say, I'm hungry, let's eat, it's delicious. However, they won't do any of that stuff in their real lives. So even when the child has to go to the bathroom, what they'll do is they'll just pull them by the hand toward the bathroom instead of saying poo or something. The simple explanation here is that, well, they can get away with it. You don't make them do it. So why would I bother? Oh, okay, I can just do this and I'll get what I want. Instead, you sit down, you find out what they want, and then you make them say something. And then you follow through and help them out. So once we know a child can say, wah, for water bottle or water when they want it, then we make them say it every time they want water. I don't care if they grab it from you. Nope, you still make them request it. That's what you do, is anytime the child demonstrates the ability to do something, you're going to make sure that they utilize it in those situations in order to get the things that they want, rather than, oh, this is what they're comfortable doing, and so, okay, I'll just let you go and just pull my hand without requiring that additional thing.